Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the complete guide to investing and making money with Bitcoin. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You may have heard about how popular Bitcoin and Ethereum have become in recent months. Do you want to make money that so many other people have already made? Bitcoin has been called the next big thing, and no, it's not the new iPhone. People have even said that Bitcoin is like gold in more than one way. With big companies like Microsoft, IBM, Intuit, and even PayPal investing in Bitcoin, many investors, both big and small, can see how the cryptocurrency can change what it means to be a currency. This guide will teach you some of the most common phrases and words you will hear when you start to learn about cryptocurrencies. We want you to research each link we give you so that you can learn more about cryptocurrencies and avoid making mistakes in the future. Don't invest without thinking things through. People are making a lot of money with Bitcoin, but that doesn't mean you should put all of your money into it. We suggest putting a total of 10% of your portfolio into it. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, also called cryptocurrency, which is made and kept electronically. It was first made by a person or group who didn't want to be known but used the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The Satoshi is the name of the smallest unit of Bitcoin. A blockchain is a public shared ledger that keeps track of all Bitcoin transactions. The blockchain is basically an electronic list of every transaction, which makes it possible for them to be in sync around the world in a short amount of time. So, how is Bitcoin made and how does it work? Bitcoin is made by mining, which is another reason why it is being compared to gold. Even though Bitcoin isn't physically mined with pickaxes and heavy equipment, except for computers and hardware, the process can still take a lot of time and energy. As more and more companies join the Bitcoin movement, more and more people are paying for goods and services with Bitcoin. Over 100,000 places now take Bitcoin, and every day more and more are added to the list. Bitcoin is also used as an investment similar to gold because its value is going up and is expected to go up even more. Bitcoin has already helped millions of people make money, so you can too. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.